If your thermostat is acting up and just won't turn on or respond no matter what you try, it's probably time to swap it out, because hardware failure is real and it's not going to fix itself. Okay, so first thing you want to do is check if the thermostat has power. Sometimes it's just batteries being dead or a tripped breaker, but if everything looks good and it still won't light up, that's a red flag. Next, try resetting the thermostat or unplugging it for a bit, then plug it back in. Sometimes it just needs a little reboot. If it still won't respond to your commands or show anything on the screen, then the hardware inside might be toast. Also, if your heating and air conditioning just won't kick in even though the thermostat shows the right settings, that's another sign something's wrong inside the device. Make sure you've done all the basic troubleshooting like checking wiring connections and replacing batteries before deciding to replace it. When you do replace, go for a smart thermostat if you want easier control and better energy savings, but make sure it's compatible with your HVAC system. Don't wait too long because a broken thermostat can mess up your whole heating and cooling setup and run up your energy bills. Remember, if you're not sure, calling a pro to check it out saves you from buying a new one when you don't need to. One of the biggest thermostat-related problems is ignoring signs of complete device failure, like no power or no response, which just drags out discomfort and can cause bigger HVAC issues. To fix this, replace the thermostat right away once you've ruled out simple fixes like dead batteries or wiring issues. Another common mistake is trying to fix hardware faults yourself without proper knowledge, which can end up damaging your HVAC system. Always consult a professional if you're unsure. Lastly, people often stick with old, outdated thermostats that can't handle modern heating and cooling demands, so upgrading to a newer model not only solves hardware problems, but also improves efficiency and comfort. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find local contractors they can actually trust without all the hassle. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients looking for help, so everyone wins and projects get done right.